Hi friends, so I just unboxed this baby. This is from Bathing Beauties Bath and Body Bar, Warm and Cozy Fireplace. And I ordered based on just seeing this image. I just thought it was super cute. It actually looks like a brick, like the color, how it feels in my hand, how hard it is. It's like a freaking brick. It's so freaking cute. So I had to get it, and I ordered more things based on this one, but this is the one I'm choosing to use right now. Now, I'm not really sure of the scent, but it smells amazing. I'm not sure what it is, but let's go ahead and put it to work. This is my first time ordering from this company. Nice little bath pillow. I see the sparkle falling off immediately. You would think that a square one is a floater, but I'm just not going to risk it. I'm just not going to do it. Just as usual, I'm a big chicken butt. And I want you guys to be able to see the beauty for a couple of seconds. I really, really like the scent on this one. I don't think I've smelled this on another bath bomb before. I'm not sure what it is. But I don't think I've actually had this particular scent in a bath bomb. It smells freaking awesome though. I really do like the scent. I'm really tripping about how much I like the scent right now. I'm dying to let it go and see if it floats, because they do, the square or the flat ones tend to float, but I'm just not willing to do it. I'm not willing to lose it yet. Super pretty. I'm not disappointed in you guys. The foam is that continuous foam, so there's not a lot of big, huge air bubbles in it. Just look at it. I just find it to be super adorable. That's all. It really does feel like a brick, like the texture of it, even the way it's sounding against my hand right now. You guys hear that? I love it. It could be that all her bath bombs make this sound. I don't know, but the fact that it's a brick and it sounds like a brick is really cute to me. There's so much shimmer. I can see the sparkle coming off into the foam. You can actually see it in the video too. I'm very pleased. So you can see the sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. That's awesome. I'm having so much fun with this guy. I really am. Looks like it has a little pink and blue and yellow coming out of it alongside of that rusty red, brick red that was in there. That blue is superb though. I took it out of the water to put it back in to see the, what do I call it, the refresh. And it did not disappoint. The refresh of the colors was awesome. I can't wait to see this water. It smells like a cologne almost. A glorious cologne. So I'm letting it float now, so I guess it was a floater. It's being a big crybaby for nothing. Look at that fantastic thing. Gorgeous. And I'm going to come out of here smelling amazing because this stuff smells great. I'm not going to worry about a crush because, as you guys heard, the bath bomb was pretty hard. So it was brick hard. It was brick hard, so crush is probably not going to be easy. Look at that foam. Look at it. Pouring over the edges. Pretty impressive bath bomb. And I have no idea why I had never heard of this company before. No idea. But now that I know about them, I shall be going back. Especially if they carry more in this scent, because this thing is, I obviously can't say enough. How much is left? It's like a little sheet of paper. Oh my gosh, the shimmer on that water. Look at the shimmer. Look at that big patch of shimmer that came off. But let's see if maybe this little piece is easier to crush. Oh yeah. It's a little easier than I thought, probably because it's a lot smaller now. It's still kind of loud, as you can tell. So it's not super easy. It's not powdery soft, but still a crush nonetheless. Still colors left. Obviously, as you can see, the colors popping up towards the top. This is why I like crushing from the top. From the bottom, because then the colors pop up so prettily from underneath the water and make beautiful things like this versus me just crushing and just dumping. All right, so you guys ready to take a look at what the water looks like? Me too. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It is super deep plum with immense amounts of gold shimmer. If you could see what I see right here in my own bathroom, it's so much prettier in person. Nothing I can do is just give it justice so that you can actually see this thing. You guys need to get it. It is beautiful. I know that you guys can see the shimmer. I'm just thinking maybe you can't see the color as well because of the flash. And my bathroom, unfortunately, is too dark. If I turn the flash off, you won't be able to see anything. Alright guys, that's it. Oh my gosh. For this bath bomb, and I will talk to you guys. Oh my gosh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. On the next one.